How to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Go to the Also Available section below to view the available updates. Then, go to Automatic Updates at the top. Here, go to the Automatically Install section and turn on the Security Responses and System Files feature as shown. After that, go back to the Settings page and tap on Apps at the end. From here, scroll down and go to Safari. On the Safari Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Advanced. Then, go to Website Data. You can view all the website data and the space they're using up. Tap on Remove all website data at the end. Tap on Remove now to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily find and delete all viruses on iPhone.